This is definitely the most beautiful city ever I've been to, of course. Look at this. Hopefully you can see some of this. Okay, the mountains deep in the back. Amazing. The ocean. So we think we are walking the right way, but we don't know. But
let's go.
It's a nice view. So look at this. The top of some place.
San Sebastion.
That's really nice.
It's really
actually.
pretty. Look at this view. Look at this. So pretty.
Easy come, easy go. Let's keep it fun and simple. Easy come, easy go. You know my loving is no sweat. It's 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 no sweat.
Okay, it is echoey, first of all. Second of all, oops, out of focus. We are gonna go hit the beach after this nice hike. Easy hike, but still a hike. Somewhere down there, get some water, relax. We are on the San Sebastion beach right now. Hello, we are back again. I don't know.
I know who are your copy.
Okay.
I'll go last time.
So, what? Okay. Sarah is staying on the beach for a bit while we go walk around. I think there's like a huge fiesta, or how you say, party over there. So we're gonna explore a bit because tonight we leave San Sebastion and we head to, I don't know, another place where they have surfing and other stuff. And these stairs that are in Game of Thrones, which I don't watch, so I'm not as excited. We're gonna check that out too. So, to the city we go. A car pulled beside us and asked us in Spanish, which is funny, where the bars are and stuff, and we have no idea.
As if we don't.
And we're like, oh yeah, just down that way to the left. And anyways, who knows? I don't know where they are. So good luck to that guy.
More like tomato.
So we are on the bridge where Napoleon asked his wife to marry him, actually.
Yeah.
And this is
no.
Yeah.
Sadly.
Exactly.
And then the
right
bridge.
there. Right there. And actually, what was even crazier is that those horses. You see those horses there? That one. There's more horses. Those were people who came to disrupt the wedding when he was like, "Does anyone object?" And they came in and they rode on those horses. So Napoleon's wife. What is going on? Whoa. He's like, oh yeah.